back to my kitchen. It's fried chicken once again, and tonight I'm going to be making a katsu chicken. Well, it's katsu sauce actually, but we're going to serve it up with chicken. Now, katsu sauce was originally served up with pork and comes from Japan, I do believe. And you can always correct me if I'm wrong and just put it in my comments down below. I'd love it. Now, before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just press that little button down there and ding the bell, and you'll get all my videos, all the future ones and all the old ones from the past. So without further ado, let's get cracking. I'm going to make a start with the katsu sauce. We're going to need one whole white onion that's been roughly chopped up. Don't have to be too fussy. We're going to need a garlic clove. We're going to need some corn flour mixed up in a drop of water. And we're going to need these. I've got 1 teaspoon of ketchup, we've got 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric and some salt and pepper. We need 200 millilitres of chicken stock. We need some water just for topping up. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 or 2 apples if you want. We're going to peel those and slice them up. I've put a pan on the hob with a medium heat. Into the pan I'm going to put a drop of cooking oil, followed by a chopped up onion. Stir this around a little bit and just cook it until it's getting a little bit soft, almost brown. Then in we go with the garlic. Fry this for about 2 minutes. Then in we go with our chicken stock, and if you think it needs it, we're going to add a little drop of water at this point. In with the soy sauce, in with the ingredients that we've got here. We can put them all in one go. In we go with the peeled and chopped up apples. Then in we go with our cornstarch or corn flour. I've used 1 teaspoon, but you can use more if you want. Pop on the lid. We're going to let this simmer for about 20 minutes. While that's simmering, we can start with the chicken. We're going to be making chicken goujons, or sliced up fried chicken pieces to you and me. Dead easy to make. All we need is your chicken pieces that have been cut up into small portions, about bite sized, some flour, some breadcrumbs and some egg wash. And of course our old friends, salt and pepper. So we make a start with the flour. We're going to season it up generously, plenty of pepper, and then of course pop in the salt. Give this a little swift mix together, and then we can put our chicken pieces in. You can see how small they are. Of course you can make them bigger if you want. We're going to get them coated in the flour, then they go into the egg wash. Make sure the egg gets coated all over the chicken piece, and then when you've done that, you move on and you pop it into the breadcrumbs. So in that goes. Do the same again, get it coated all the way over, and we can put it onto a plate, carry on with the rest of the chicken portions until they're all done, and they're looking like this. Now they have to be fried until they're nice and crispy. I'm going to shallow fry these, so I've got a pan with some oil in. Get the oil nice and hot, and then you can start putting in your chicken goujons. After a few minutes, turn them over and cook the other side until they're brown and crispy and they're looking like this. That's perfect. Now we can turn our attentions back to the katsu sauce, which after 20 minutes of simmering should be nicely cooked right through. So now we're going to whiz this up with a stick blender. Of course you can use a food processor if you prefer, or if you haven't got a stick blender, until it's nice and thick and creamy. And I'm going to be serving this up with some boiled long grain rice. And doesn't that look good? We're going to put a nice little sprinkling all over the top. A little bit more, please, sir. Thank you very much. That is my dinner for tonight, and that does look so good. Thank you so much for watching this latest recipe of mine. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now.